Welcome back! Today I will show you how to make these little bags of oranges. First, you need one or more of these bags. In the supermarket you will often find these around garlic or onions. You also need orange polymer clay. Or you can mix red and yellow clay. And you need iron wire to close the bags. I use these iron wires that you get with garbage bags. I start with making small oranges. That is super simple. First mold the clay till it's a little bit softer and then roll the clay into small balls. Time to bake the clay. Follow the instructions on the packaging for this and always do this together with an adult. Now cut out a square from the net. You need a larger square than you think. You can cut it smaller later if necessary. Put 5 oranges in here and close the net with an iron wire. So, super simple, right? Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe by clicking the red button below. Bye bye!